Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the fully upgraded Rox skin. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this character, and to begin we're going to start out with our visor area first. So we're going to draw one line across, and then from the corners here, this one's going to curve over this way. I know it's a little bit strange, but we're just drawing in the visors. Right here on the side, just come down with a nice curve. And then whatever you have here, just come up a little bit in the center. You can make a little dot, and then we'll just connect those. So that's going to be the visor. And we won't be able to see inside, so we don't have to draw anything. So we're going to come down here and draw her lip. So right in the middle, draw one line across, the lower lip, a smaller line, and then on the upper lip, a smaller line but a little bit closer. And then once we have those three lines, just connect those, and that'll give us the lip shape. Alright, and then now we can finish up the face, well, part of the face because it's covered by her armor. So we're just gonna come down nice and skinny here, and then round it out for a chin. Alright, so now we can finish up the helmet. So I'm gonna come back up here, just go out, and then from that line, just kind of come down a little bit more, and then turn it, and just tuck it right underneath the chin. So we're coming down, just give it a slight turn. Alright, and now down here for some detail, just gonna draw a little curve like this. Makes it look like it's in perspective. And then now let's finish up the top. So for the top, we're gonna extend this line first. Continue the curve, and this is gonna be the top of her head, so just one curve over. And then on this part here, it goes up a little bit higher, so we're gonna draw, just kind of go past her head, just curve it, go past her head, and then round it off again. And then the inside here gets a little bit tricky, so we're gonna come up and then let's draw the same curve here. So this space here is actually open, and we'll be able to see that better once I color it. Alright, so now let's move on to her body, and we're gonna start out with her neck area. It's gonna be pretty wide here. Let's draw two slants coming down and then one big curve connecting it. And now we're gonna keep going down to the chest area. So right here, just draw a little bracket coming down. And then once you have that, we're just gonna pinch it in all the way down to her waist. Let's go straight down. Alright, and then come back up here. Just draw one line first, and then we're gonna slant this. Okay, so this is her waist. So now let's go back up here and finish up the chest details. So right here, here's the center. I'm come across a little bit. Just gonna draw one curve going out. Go back to the center, come out, and same curve on the opposite side. And let's finish up some details right here. And then two lines up here. Okay, so that's the torso, and let's finish up the hip area first before we draw in her arms. So here's her waist, we just kind of flare out. And then we're gonna come back in, just leave a little bit of space and close it off. Alright, and right here looks like she's got some zipper. I'm just gonna draw two lines coming down and just close it off. Alright, so now we can draw in her arms. So coming back up here, this one's gonna I'm gonna have her arms on her hip. So here's the armpit right here. And she's got a little bit of a shoulder pad here, so I'm gonna make it a little bit bumpier. Just come down and then go back into the body first. Okay, so now for the bicep area. So this one's gonna come out. Draw a little line here for the crease. Come down and draw in her hands first. So I'm gonna extend this line a little bit. It's gonna be the back of her fist. Draw a little rectangle here. This is gonna be the wrist area. And then once you have that, now you can connect these up. So right in the corner here, come down and here's the elbow. Curve it and just connect that. All right, so let's add in the other arms first before we draw in the details. So same thing here, here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder pad again. A little bit bumpier. And just come back into the body. Okay, and then for the bicep area, this one's gonna be straight down. Well, not straight down, but just off to the side. And then for here, we can actually close this one off first. And then lower arm will flare out. Slight curve, and this one is straight down. Close it off, and here's the wrist for the glove. Just one rectangle. And then here's the fist. The little hook. Back of the fist. Close it off. Alright, so now let's add in some details to her armor here. So right here, I'm just gonna draw a little rectangle. So these parts are easy and it makes it look a lot cooler. Okay, back of the fist here. So it's a square, and then on this side it's gonna be a rectangle. And then a little bit more detail on the arms. I draw two lines coming down, and then this one's gonna come down and this one's gonna go up. Okay, so same thing here. Just draw two lines. Go this way and go up. Alright, so now let's finish up with her legs. So we're gonna come down here. We're gonna continue with this. This is gonna be a thigh. Curve it. Come back up here to the corner. Curve it in, and then right here, just go up. So this is gonna be your knee. And then just come down. This is just another oval, kind of like an egg shape. So let's come in and draw this side first. Coming down, use the other side for reference. So curving down, and then same thing here, just go up. And then come down and finish the egg shape. Alright, and then lower legs. Flare out, and she's got those high top boots, so we're gonna cut the legs off a little bit early. Close it off. Extend the line. So it's gonna be the top of her boot. Come down. And then just close it with a slight curve. And then the foot itself, gonna curve out, close it, add one line inside, and we'll add in the details later. Let's draw in the other leg first. So we're gonna flare out, slight curve, straight down, close, extend the line, and then just kind of taper it in, close it with another curve. So same thing here, coming down for shoes, close it, and then one little line here on the bottom. And let's go ahead and add in the details now. So from side to side, the corner here, just gonna draw another curve. And then on top here, same thing, just another curve right in the middle. Okay, so here, side to side. Alright, and then lastly is details on the thigh right here. Right in the middle here, I'm going to draw one line. And then from the corners, down. This one's going to go out. Same thing, one line, and then right over the knee. Okay, and then she's got a couple of bars here, so these are really easy. Just come in. Same thing on this side. And that is it for this version of Rox. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.